at Harbor Freight because I got an idea.
What do we got here?
Some gloves.
Oh.
This too. Yeah. Yo, we're about to go fishing with these. Big clouds.
We were born before the wind.
I got some rope, got our weighted magnet. Seba's gonna teach us some sailor knots. We're on our way to Harvey's Lake. Listening to Moondance.
The sky.
When's the last time you've listened to Moondance on the back roads? That's a good omen. Not the Trump sign, bike guy. Point boy.
Point boy!
We could find anything in this lake. Dreams, nightmares, Rolexes and money clips, and trash, probably. Nick and Seba have both lost about 5 pairs of glasses in this lake, as have I. So has Carl.
Lost wedding rings that will return.
We will return them. This is a holy place. Wouldn't you say so? Got our water, we're keeping hydrated. 2 sips. So here in our orchid bag, got our gloves. I kind of just need a pair of gloves. We want a strong, long, and thick knot to attach to this weighted magnet.
What you doing there, Dan? We are going to tie a horse knot. This is a knot that's been passed down from my great-grandfather in Lebanon. The trick of the horse knot is used by bridle makers in the horse factory. So you see we got a loop-de-loop, loop-de-poop, and then that ain't going nowhere.
I'd say we're 25 feet. Feel something. Ooh, it's getting heavy. It's rope!
Dude, he found a boat, bro.
I found a boat! Where did you drop your glasses? Even if it's trash, I'll still feel good about it. Damn, bro. You got a nail! Not 1, but 2 nails. Some magnetic rock. Something, anything. Would you look at that? It's a wrench! That's pretty sick. Look at that wrench. Seba, look at the sun. Look at the water. Ow. Look at all the lakeweed. Lakeweed. That's a good band name. Any bites?
Not a damn thing.
A whole stool. The roosters are crowing. What are they saying? Time to get a hot dog? Come on, pick me a winner, Seba. Little bolt? Little bolt in the metal out of the lake? Anything on the bottom? Oh, wow. We didn't find a lot, but it was a lot better than nothing. And that's okay. Look at that water. It's beautiful. What do you got? See what it is. Dude! We gotta get that tire.
I agree.
It's not what we wanted to find, but it's really good. We're getting this out of the lake. All right. That's an accomplishment. Look, a yellow tire. What is that used for? Ah!
Dang! They don't even make white wall tires anymore.
We could do something with these. We could have a little, we could have a good conscience for just cleaning this stuff up. We could come back later to throw these out, or just leave it up to the landlord for letting this stuff go on. That's messed up. We should all be taking care of the tires in the lake. This is what we found today. Mostly trash. That's kind of cool. It wasn't disappointing because it feels really good to be out here close to nature today at Harvey's Lake. Why don't we take a hot dog break and then go to the Susquehanna River? You got the goods. Hold it close. 40 Fort's been getting a lot of buzz. Shout out 40 Fort. That is such a cool car, bro. Guy Fieri in a car.
This is where the white man used to get his brains bashed in by the native people who are resisting the invaders.
What did I do? Ah!
Die, invader!
Ah! Here we are at the bend. Beautiful. I wonder what we'll find. More birds! You get something? Oh God! Whoa! I guess we got something big.
Gotta get our waders on and go in there.
So we threw it in and it got stuck either on something very big or just under a rock. Not everything goes out how you plan. And that's okay.
Thought we had it.
Yes! It's a good day. I would go as far as saying it's this week's hooky day. Market Street bow launch might be the move. What do you think? I got a really good feeling about this spot. Let's make this fish count, okay? Ah! Check it out! Give her a toss. Big drum roll moment. I think you got something. Nothing. So does this mean the river isn't as dirty as we think it is?
We've been lied to about the river, like many other things.
What do you mean?
The river's good water, ancient, holy water. This is a beautiful place. Don't be scared. We can't do that.
Oh, check it out, a fish hook. Who knows how long that's been there? Magnetic rock. Some Jack Daniels.
Jack Daniels.
Well, we tried. I'm not disappointed because at least we spent the whole day outside. I'm surprised the knot held up.
Hey, Dane, what you got there?
It's a spike, some kind of rust. Just some more nails. What were you hoping you were gonna find?
A diamond bracelet.
Some tools. That's not bad. We didn't find much today, but it was still fun. We learned a lot about the Susquehanna. We learned a lot about Harvey's Lake. We learned a little bit about ourselves. Thank you, Saba. I'm happy we did this. I don't think any of this would have been possible if I didn't clean my room this morning. Finds of all kinds, vlog 5, magnet fishing. We didn't get too much, but wait till part 2. I swear we're gonna get something then. It'll be nicer out, we'll do a whole river cleanup. It'll be chill.
I fly above the trees, over the seas.